So the guys my neighbor got to clean this job up, that was that a month or so ago, bailed after doing most of it, so I cleaned up the rest. Think I'm gonna make it out? You're like 50-50. Not even close. Glad I got my ropes. Yeah, the ground was frozen when we pulled in. I didn't think it was gonna thaw. Obviously it did. But I haven't really been filming because I'm kind of pissed off. But detach the trailer. I'll come back tomorrow morning after the ground's frozen again. But of course it's only gonna warm after that, so we have one window. I'm trying to get my truck unstuck and I'm gonna go buy a winch and come back in the morning with a winch. But 4,000 pounds didn't do it, so slapping pulling in to double it to 8, see if this does it. I really don't want to go to like a 3-to-1 because I'm gonna be here all night pulling. All I have is my Mazdam, and you only get like what, 3 feet of stroke. Fun times. So things have been frantic because after I got my truck unstuck, I was thinking it's winter time, the ground will freeze, I can just come back, it won't be a problem. And then I checked the weather. High today was 32, tomorrow was 35, the next day's like 40, and then the next day's like 45, and then 50 in December. So no, it's not going to freeze, it's going to thaw, and the trailer's going to go deeper. So I ran home, and I've been eyeing winches for a while. Hunnicky really sold me on the whole cordless winch because when he's, doing a back cut and pulling at the same time, that's awesome. So the one I really wanted was the Warren Xeon whatever. It's like close to $2,000. But anyway, it's Saturday. I got home. It's like 4:50. I'm online trying to find something, and I found a dealer in St. Charles, which is like a 15-20 minute drive. They closed at 5. It was 4:55 when I called them, and the guy said that's fine, he'll stay open a little later, just come on up. So a huge thank you to the guys at Pure Performance in St. Charles, because you're saving my ass. Again, big thank you to these guys. Alright, so not really the one I was wanting, but I'd still much rather have this than something from like Harbor Freight. So again, big thank you to the guys at Pure Performance. They stayed open 30 minutes longer than they needed to, just so I could get there and pick this up. Ready to get going on this, but before I do, the truck doesn't really fit in the garage and it's fucking cold out. Alright, so shitty audio is just what I do, and get fucked. I filled up my coolant reservoir before I left today, and it's empty. This is my 3rd beer this week. I can't remember the last time I drank this much. pressure tester here. So for the time being, just gonna make sure to have a bunch of coolant on hand. Motherfucker. Yeah, that'll do it.
It's really a good thing my neighbor's down.
Pull holes are on 10-inch centers, so that'd be right there. Just gonna cut 2 pieces of this angle and weld it up. It's 12:30 in the morning. And I just ran out of kerosene. Oh, this doesn't fry that camera sensor. I'm turning the camera off because you don't want to watch me weld for 20 minutes. So I'm all welded up. Far from the best welder, but not the worst either. That's not even close. Like 2 or 3 weeks ago, I bought a light bar, and I wanted to put it on actually facing backwards so that I can still work after the sun goes down. I'm hoping to get that done tonight, or this morning rather, but obviously not. I'll be lucky to get this done in time to even work evenings. Nice. So I made a template. This diamond deck. I'm sure I'm on a slope somewhere. He's got some torque. Those two are over the back part of this beam. Can't get the bolts in. They were good, but already freaking, I was wanting to be there by now. 4:05. I don't want the ground to thaw too much. Fuck. Come on. God damn it. Ah! Fuck. Shit. To the middle of those two bars. Fucking Christ. The fuck am I listening to? Fuck. Fucker! Come! Fucking on! I'm about to smash something. Ah! Fuck. Alright, I'm at that don't fucking care point, so those fucking bolts are going after this. Fucking bolts gonna play. Done playing. This camera's on the verge of getting fucking drop kicked. I feel so defeated right now. Yay! Started. Pretty sure that means I can graduate kindergarten. I put a freaking bolt and a nut together. Alright, I didn't know the right battery connectors, so I kind of made do. Not sure if it's a good connection or not. Let's see if it works. Okay. Cool. Alright. I worked up to that tree up there. Really wish I'd had time to put the Fairlead on, but once this ground thaws, it's not going to freeze again for a while. And I'm already a lot later than I was planning on. If the 30 seconds of continuous use, you need to let it cool down. So, first time doing this, I wasn't really sure once I started moving and it slacked out if I should just kept going or like I did do and wait to start having it full again. I feel pretty stupid now. I should have just kept fucking going. Alright, well, there's the answer. If you don't need to stop, don't stop. Alright. So that's the horribly shitty end to my horribly shitty week. And next week will be better. Have a good one, humans. Alright, since I've been busy and haven't done anything with this video yet, quick update. Last night I'm out of the Fairlead. Didn't have an actual bracket for it, so I fabbed up these brackets, welded to the bumper, and then just bolted to there. Install is complete. Alright, now, have a good one, humans. Oh, and this week is much better.